everybody, welcome to my channel. So today is something that a lot of you guys really enjoy. So Christmas has passed, and that's okay. Llewellyn, savvy coupon shopper, me and her met last summer. It was awesome. She actually does not live that far from me, but with the whole pandemic, we haven't had a chance to meet up again, which is something we both talked about. And she sent me some boxes. She sent a box for me, and she sent a box for the kids. Now, I did send her a box. You guys definitely want to go ahead and check that out. I know she was saying that her problem with the video, so I do apologize. But, you know, I'm pretty excited to see what she got. You know, the reason why we do these unboxing videos is because I like to see her reaction, because that's the only time I get to see it. A lot of you guys like it when all of us people get together. So I'm going to open my box, and I'm going to have the kids open theirs so they can go play with theirs. I have no idea what's inside. Llewellyn, I just kind of guess what she likes. I kind of watch some of her lives from time to time, and then I just kind of, you know, pay attention to some of that person. I'm kind of like a stalker when it comes to stuff to figure out what people like. But I have no idea what the kids sent, but Ben is like, Mom, can we open it? Can we open it? So I'm going to bring the kids over here, and we're going to open this one. Okay, you guys, I got Miss Pajama Wearing Charlotte and Mr. Benny Pooh. So
got Fortnite shirt.
We're going to open their box.
Mommy,
so Ben's just going crazy. So,
M&M!
Okay, show them what you got. Show them what you got. Oh, Charlotte's like, oh, I want that. Charlotte's like, woo, look at this.
M&M.
Whoa,
There's supposed to be candy in here.
Yeah, you can open the candy later.
Now can we see what candy is?
Is that cool, Miss Charlotte? You like Minnie Mouse. She's like, wow.
And I got this cool thing.
Okay, why don't you open a box that has your name on it? Okay, let everybody see you open it.
Would that?
It's okay, just open what you got, Ben.
It's got like one.
It's not the size that matters, kid.
Do it.
What is that? Oh, you don't have that one. We have the Nemo one.
Do it.
Well, you have Woody, but that's okay. You left him outside in the rain, so he's probably all rusted up.
What is this?
Ben, why don't you show him what you got? Hey, instead of show everybody what you got. So Ben got a Dory Hot Wheels car and a Woody, which he does have Woody, but it's outside buried in the snow right now. So he now has a new one to keep inside. And we do have a Nemo one, so now he's got the main.
I don't remember we have a Nemo one.
Yeah, we do have a Nemo one.
Wait.
Okay, Charlotte, is this,
this
is Benny's? And this is Miss Charlotte's.
Wait, I gotta figure out what it. Oh, what the?
What is this, Miss Charlotte? What is this, Miss Charlotte?
Oh,
Charlotte's favorite thing. She loves chocolate. Loves chocolate.
What's it? What we had?
And Ben's like, I'm gonna open this right now. I'm gonna open this right now.
Oh, we got the same one as Menards, the same packages.
Yeah, you got the same package as Menards.
I think we have these though.
Okay, Charlotte's gonna open hers. Yay! Mom, Charlotte got her favorite one. Rainbow Dash. I love Rainbow Dash.
Chocolate!
And then there's 4 little Hershey Kisses in here. Here you go, Charlotte. You got Rainbow Dash.
Do we have anything else for me? Do we have anything else for me?
Okay, Charlotte's gonna open her gift real quick. What does that one say? The kids. It's for both of you guys.
Yeah.
Okay, Miss Charlotte.
Minnie.
Ooh, what's this?
Ooh!
Charlotte, look it!
Who is this guy?
I don't know the Transformer guys. Why don't you show everybody what one you got?
This one. My dad used to watch that Transformer after he was a baby.
Charlotte got a little Minnie Mouse puzzle, which is perfect because she's right at that perfect age. Look at that! She's like, nope, I want that candy, Mom. I want that candy. Or I want the car. Okay, so now the next one says for the kids. So Mr. Benny Pooh is going to open that up.
Oh, this is like the same thing!
So Ben got Scribbles or something for Christmas. He said he really wanted it. And these are basically the same ones, but they're Mickey and Minnie. And these kids absolutely love coloring on things. What do you say?
Thank you.
Tell the camera thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, so the kids got their stuff. Ben's probably going to take that part right now and start coloring on it. And now I'm going to open my box. Guys, I think the kids were pretty excited for that. Ben's like, I want to go color. He's like already taking his pile of stuff. So now we're going to open my box. Thank you, Llewellyn, for those gifts. Like Miss Charlotte, she's like already playing with her fan. She's got her fan and stuff in her hand. I don't need any more of yours.
No, Mommy, Shaw needs that spinny thing.
She took it with her. Oh, this thing, her little fan.
Yeah. Shaw needs it.
There you go. Okay, now let's dig in. So she did give me a note. We probably opened this up last, so we're just gonna dig in and see what she said. It says, Jen, my family and I want to wish you, Graham, Ben, and Miss Charlotte a Merry Christmas. I hope your holidays are full of great memories. Thank you so much for understanding and letting us do the exchange in the new year. You know what? We could celebrate Christmas in July. I don't care. It's fun. The thing is, like, Graham and I did not exchange Christmas gifts this year, you guys. Like, we did, like, 1 or 2 things. But we just did it. So this is, like, my Christmas for me, and I don't care what day it is. But that is awesome. It says, you've always been a great friend, and I appreciate your friendship. You are so talented and creative, and I know your Etsy shop will be on fire in the new year. I hope you and the kids enjoy your gifts. I already know I will enjoy whatever you send. The first gift in your box is a Kohl's gift card. I know you can stretch this and find amazing deals. Thank you, Llewellyn. She gave me a Kohl's gift card. That's one place I've gone so much lately this year. It is crazy. So now we're just going to open this up. The pajamas she gave me last year, it says for the crazy weather. She gave me pajamas last year, and I wear those things all the time. They're so warm. So warm. Ooh, this is awesome! I got a Minnie Mouse umbrella! I love it! I love it! I love it, I love it, I love it. And then she got a Minnie Mouse hat. I love it. Now when I go to Disney in the winter time, I can wear this. Yes, thank you, Llewellyn. I love it, love it, love it, love it. And then it says Beauty Extras. Yeah, you definitely want to see what I made her. I made her a couple different things you guys definitely want to check out. I was pretty excited. Oh, sweet. I was actually going to go to Ulta and get some of this stuff, but I never went to Ulta before they had it. But this is a sugar cookie bath fizzer, which is like a bath bomb. My absolute favorite stuff that I absolutely love is lip balm. I'm obsessed. I have probably one in every single nook and cranny of my whole entire house. And then we got some Sweet and Shimmer lip gloss. I don't know if this has a flavor. It just says it's pink swirl. But that is okay. That is okay because I love lip gloss. The next thing we got is Bad Girl Eyelashes. What are these? Oh, mascara. I was going to say eyelashes. Mascara. I love it. I've never heard Beneful. I've never had this brand before. But I will definitely use it because I love mascara. And Flash Shadow. Ooh, liquid eyeshadow. This is by far, that's cool. This is by far my favorite. I love liquid eyeshadow. It's kind of a little bit harder to find in the past, but I've been really wearing the Almay liquid eyeshadow that I get at Ulta. Absolutely love it. Something cozy. You might hear crying in the background because my cat can't hear us and she cannot find us right now, so she's crying because she doesn't know where I'm at. Ooh, these look like pajamas. Soft pajamas. Loving it. Oh, we got a cute little shirt and lounge pants. Llewellyn, fun fact, when you did your live video, you were wearing some kind of Christmas PJs that you got at Five Below. I was actually eyeing those up before I saw your live video like 2 days prior to that. And I'm so happy that I didn't buy them for you. Go upstairs and open them. But I just love lounge clothes, you guys. Like, I just love it. There's days where, with this whole pandemic, I became a homebody, and I absolutely love hanging out in my pajamas. But I feel like if I get a shower for the day, then I feel refreshed. But I could just put my pajamas right back on. But loving it. These are so soft and cozy. I love it. Probably wearing these in the next couple days because I love it. Thank you, Llewellyn. Okay. Queen Disney. We are possibly going to Disney this year, you guys. We possibly are. Graham doesn't want to go. I want to go. We don't know if we're going to go to California or Florida, but I definitely want to go. Ooh, it's a nice little Mickey necklace. So pretty. I haven't worn a Disney necklace since the day I got married, but I love it. I love it, loving it, loving it. So if I go to Disney, I'm definitely going to wear this. I haven't worn necklaces very much. I used to make them all the time, but there's nobody to show off to. Nobody to show off to, but I'm definitely going to be wearing that. Remember this. Oh my gosh, where did you find this? This is awesome. Rugrat lip gloss. Oh my gosh. They're Funko Pop, which I have. They're up there. And I have lip gloss of Tommy and Chucky. This is awesome. No, they're lip gloss. We got high shine lip gloss and then just regular high. Oh, they're both high shine. This one's like a whitish purple and the other one's like a dark pink. That is awesome. Loving it. I'm a huge Nickelodeon fan. Just love Nickelodeon. Disney Queen, we will see what it is. Every time I think it's like Disney Queen, I'm like, it's a wand. It's a wand. Okay, here it is. I love these hairbrushes, you guys. I absolutely love these hairbrushes. This is the Little Mermaid. This one I do not have, but I absolutely love these hairbrushes. I feel like it's done so much better for my hair because I used to have thick hair and my hair's thinned out a little bit, but I absolutely love these. I did not get one until about 2 years ago and I fell in love. Like, these are by far the best hairbrushes ever if you guys get it, the Wet brand. I used to get just like cheapy crap ones, but these ones actually do not pull my hair. I don't lose as much hair and these are awesome. And I also started combing my hair while I'm in the shower to get the knots out, so thank you, Llewellyn. Okay, this one says to keep track of all your Etsy orders. It looks like something with snow. Llewellyn, you went crazy. You totally went crazy. You did not have to go crazy. She got me a journal notebook, which is actually perfect because this is something that's actually kind of hard to use. And I can actually tie it up. So this actually would be perfect for me to write down all my like Etsy stuff in here and then keep it in here and then keep it closed so my daughter doesn't open it up and rip all my books open, because I did have all that stuff ripped open and then she ripped it. But thank you, this is perfect. Perfect. And then there's one more gift in here for you guys, and it says to keep track of all your pertinent dates, YouTube, and more. Ooh. It is a planner agenda. So this is perfect. Yes, personal information. This is stuff, because I actually, to become a YouTuber, you guys, there's some stuff that you can like write things off and everything. So I have to keep track of how much miles I drive. I have to keep track of all this stuff, just because it's a business. You're doing this for your business. Some things I do specifically for fun, and some things I do specifically because it is my job. So it is nice to have a planner to keep track of all your stuff. And yes, so thank you very much, Llewellyn. You went super crazy. I was not expecting this, but thank you very much. The kids are still playing with their gifts over there on the floor, and that kept them quiet for the whole 8 minutes I've been filming this video. So again, thank you, Llewellyn, very, very much. We will have to see if we can get together sometime soon. I do know we're going to Chicago sometime this summer when the whole pandemic ends. So maybe we can.
Chicago is where Grandma June is.
No, that's up north. But
Minnesota.
no, Grandma June doesn't live in Minnesota. She lives near Minnesota.
This is Button, Minnesota.
Okay. But anyway, so we might see if we can meet up with her, or if she comes this way, we will see. She has driven right past my house before when she went to the Wisconsin Dells a couple years ago. But again, anyways, thank you, Llewellyn. Thank you guys for everybody who watched. Make sure you check out her video and see what I got her, what I made her. So I'm pretty excited. The best thing I do is I love showing people. I love making things for people. That's like the best thing, because you can buy them anything, but you can't give them homemade gifts from your heart very much, you know. So that's what I absolutely love. So thank you guys for watching. Give this video a thumbs up so I know you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.